No. I got a good phone call this morning as I took the first 15 minutes of the morning off. We got a preview. He says, "Oh my gosh, I saw it. It's a preview. It's a Sunfire Tiger Titanium, and it's bad." So we've been waiting patiently for this. Look at that. Wow. So we're gonna open up the rest.
Look at those colors, man.
I haven't seen colors like this since the 50s. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. It's really the 60s. Anyway, so we're gonna cut some eggs. Where's your razor blade?
I got one.
Okay.
I just use my fingers.
Oh, an albino Sunfire, maybe.
That's right. These are both double het. Sun Tiger.
Yep, albino Sun Tiger.
No titanium.
No titanium.
Look at this super tiger.
Whoa!
Beautiful Citron.
Look at that thing.
Citrons rock.
The father of this had some Slayer in him, didn't he? That's why those blacks are looking so good.
No.
No Slayer?
No.
Look at that.
Man, they got the color of it.
Look at that beautiful head.
That's a citron for sure.
Oh, what is that? A symbol on his head? Wow, I've never had one with a head like that, I don't think.
It looks like a Maltese cross.
Got a little boy.
Oh, look at that. There we go.
Sunfire Titanium pinstripe
That's
one.
not a Sunfire.
You don't think so?
Unfortunately,
Looks like one of those platinums.
that's the one we wanted to hit. That's what we wanted to hit is on the right gene, because that's the snake we need the Sunfire to hit on. We have one Sunfire Titanium, but it hit on a snake that it doesn't show it off as good as it could. Nice Citron
Some of the
Tiger.
titaniums are real silver, some of them have high color, so if we can get Sunfire on a high color one. Wow, look at that. Sun Citron, huh?
At least a sun. Probably a citron.
Sure looks like it to me.
Isn't that the first Sun Citron ever? What do you mean at least a sun?
We've got albinos
Everything. Oh, yeah.
on the last glitch. Look at that one.
Super Tiger Sunfire.
This is a game of many.
Citron too. Look, it's all connected.
Looks good.
Just a tiger.
Oh.
What's that?
That's a plutonium. Sunfire, huh? Maybe? Just a sibling.
I don't know.
Gosh,
I don't know, but
we
it's-
need more to find out. You have to wait till these guys shed.
Yeah, the part that makes it interesting with the titanium is there's so many crazy looking ones on their own that do you like, is that just another new crazy new thing that just popped out? It's like every time it's,
Sunfire, yeah.
what do you call those box of Skittles, you know? You just pop it open, you don't even know what you're gonna get.
That's chocolates.
Oh! No, that's what's his name?
Look at that. That is beautiful. Sun Tiger Citron.
Look at that.
Look at the tail.
Look at that snake. Wow.
Jeez.
That has got
Almost
some
looks
color.
like a
Oh, it kind of
super
better
Sun
up
Tiger.
here. Oh, that's a Sunfire.
That's a sun to plutonium.
Plutonium.
Yep.
Look at that thing, Jay.
So we got a Suntonium.
Suntonium.
Oh, look at
Damn,
that,
look at that.
snake. And it's not.
Albino sun,
Sun
citron.
citron.
That's exactly what that is, but it's not the man. Look at that color.
Jeez.
That's crazy.
I haven't seen colors like that
No,
in like
that's-
a couple days.
Since the 50s?
Oh yeah, I wasn't here in the 50s. I have to stay 60s. I just didn't want to rock. I don't. Oh man, come on. We're really dreaming about the magic snake.
Tim's cutting some good ones over here. What do you got there, Tim?
An albino titanium?
I don't
No.
think it's a
No,
titanium.
It's just sun tiger, citron, albino.
That's all, huh?
That's it.
Man, these
I'm
things are
gonna
cool. The
snatch that
citrons make such
last-
good combos
Oh,
on their
this is
own.
You're good.
See,
Not to
stole the
mention
egg
they
I
can-
wanted to open. That's okay. That means I got the good one.
Probably. I hope so.
Hey, I'm good no matter what. There's
Just a few titaniums in here, but lots. We got a couple plutoniums in it.
That's nothing. What'd you get?
a sun.
Sun Tiger Citron. Wow, we got a lot of beautiful Sunfire citrons in this.
Hold
Look
it.
at that.
What'd you get?
Another Sunfire plant. Look how patternless it is. Oh, wow. Look at
Oh,
those.
the camera, sorry.
Man, these things are going to look so good. I hope they show up on the camera, all the color subtleties in there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They look totally different on camera.
We can cheat.
Look at that thing.
Grab that egg. Come on. Grab that egg. Pick that up.
There's another good.
Pick it up. Come on. Come on, guys. We're going for a road trip.
What are you guys whispering about over there?
Secrets.
This is Fort Knox. See
Oh,
that?
that scared
Steel
me.
doors. We know we got gold.
Man, it's bright out here.
Camera's probably freaking out, but look at that. Look at the colors on that.
That one is so light and pretty.
That one's so orange.
This one's got crazy orange on it, too.
Tim, you get dripping goo.
Look at this just little purple speckly line down a pastel orange snake.
Oh,
Cranky!
my
It's
God.
like the sun!
That's ridiculous.
Sunfire and citron together.
Wow, look at that.
The albino citrons look as good as Sunfires. And
Sunny
better
Delights.
sometimes, but that thing's better. That's
Sunny
crazy.
D's, Sunny Delights.
Citrus Sunny D.
Hey, we need some names out
That's
there.
the sun tiger. This
Oh,
is a normal tiger.
These things are crazy.
Yeah, those are cool.
This must be a what is this?
That's a
Plutonium.
plutonium.
And that's a
This is
sun.
tiger.
It's
Maybe a
sun
plutonium.
That's a sun.
No, that's a sun plutonium, and this
Yeah.
is a plutonium,
Right.
I think. Yep, this is what it is.
All right.
Ho ho!
Awesome. Look at the color.
Okay, you guys went through the door of Fort Knox to see new gold, which we're excited about, only because we worked so long and so hard to make them. No other reason. It's just fun. Hope you guys are having fun with your projects too. And tell us what you think and come up with some good names. We need lots of names. Take care, guys.
Take it easy.